Hello everyone, welcome to the Wide Wings. In the last video, we successfully designed and tested our traffic light simulation on Tinkercad. It looked great on a screen, but to make this hardware actually work, we need a way to send our code from our laptop straight into the Arduino board. That is where this software comes in, the Arduino IDE. The best part of this software is 100% free and open source. It is the exact tool we need to compile our code and check for errors and upload it to our board. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to download and install the Arduino IDE on your laptop step by step. First, open your web browser. In a Google, type Arduino IDE and enter. Arduino is the company name and IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, which is the fancy name for the workspace where we write our code. So click on the very first official link on your screen. Once the page loads, you will see the official download screen. Scroll down slightly to find the latest version of the Arduino IDE. Don't worry, if the version number on your screen is slightly higher or lower than mine, any recent version will work properly. I have Windows 10. I am going to click on the Windows 10 and your link to start the download. Select the folder where you want to download the file. Once the file finishes downloading, and after entering the folder, just right-click on the Arduino installer icon and select Run as Administrator. Your system might pop up a security warning asking for permission. Don't worry, this software is completely safe and harmless, so click on the Yes option. Then click I agree on license agreement. Choose anyone who uses this computer and click Next. Take a quick note of a destination folder where the software is installing. Click Install and give it about 2 minutes to finish. Once it's done, click on Finish. When the software opens, you will be greeted by the main workspace. Previously, I opened a new file, so the screen looks like this. This is what your screen looks like. Let's look at the top left corner where you will find the most important buttons for your project. The checkmark button, check your code to make sure there is no typo or formatting errors. The right arrow button is for the uploading the code. Next is the debug icon used for troubleshooting. You will see a sidebar on the left with 5 icons. Click the second icon from the top. This is the board manager. In the search box that appears, type Arduino Uno R4 or just type R4. I have installed already, so first I will remove it and then install again. Install the first official package that appears. During the installation, your system will pop up a few driver prompt asking for permission to install device software. Make sure to click Install, Allow or Yes to all of them so your laptop can talk to your board. Your board name should be Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. For that, follow the next steps. Select the tool option, then Boards and then Board Manager, then Arduino Uno R4 Boards, then Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi. Select these options. Previously, I opened a new file, so the screen looks like this. For the brand new file, select File button, then click on the New Sketch. Then you will see this screen. Finally, you will notice 2 sections already written for you, void setup and void loop. Be careful not to delete a single bracket from this section, or your code will show you an error. We will write all our commands right inside these brackets. Due to a minor recording issue, this video isn't up to mark. If you face any issue while watching, just drop a comment below and I will make sure to sort it out. Thanks for the support.